My name's Kauthar Al-Safar. I'm a Kuwaiti product designer. I've always been an artist at heart, but I felt like there was something missing. And I still feel like there's a big disconnect between art and design. Royal College of Art was really the place to explore that and to see how you can create products that are not really about functionality. They're not about filling a need for a specific function. It's more to just bring beauty and love for art and craft into the world. When I graduated, I came back to Kuwait and I decided that I wanted to make it my life's work to elevate and promote the craftsmanship in Kuwait, because I felt like it was something that had a lot of potential that was not explored, as opposed to markets that were already established. There's a fragmented disconnect between Western countries and the Middle East. Designers in the middle is trying to bridge that gap and create more platforms for conversation. The brief was to create work that reflected this idea of Casbah, which is this fragmented reality where different ideas and ideologies come together through this stream of consciousness. They're blending together different cultures and experiences and people's stories. It's very much in line with my ethos and style of work. My design is a philosophical response to what I believe is a way to perceive culture. And the purpose behind that was to show that culture is subjective and culture is based on perception. It is about storytelling. It is the stories and the inherent value that we give products. I created a large sculpture in order to force the viewer to engage with it and to ask questions about why this object exists. I would love for people to take the conversation forward, to have more in-depth concept of what culture can mean. Kuwait suffers from the cyclical approach to culture where we want to internalize what the West thinks is culturally valuable, so we flatten out our own culture. I would like for the conversation to move away from that and to understand that culture can just be your lived experience.